So we've been asked by our customers, what is a practice lab? So we thought we would do a short video to give you an overview of what it's about. But before we get into a practice lab, let's kind of give some kind of real world scenarios around this. If you were learning to drive a car, you wouldn't just take the book, read up on it, and expect to be an expert, get behind the wheel and take your exam. You would actually have to get behind the wheel with the driving instructor, and slowly but surely you would gain those skills by actually sitting behind the wheel, doing lots and lots of practice to get ready to go and take your test. The same thing if you're a sports fan out there. If you were learning to play something like golf, you wouldn't be able to just pick up the club and go to the golf course. You'd probably read a book or watch something on YouTube. Then you'd take your clubs and you'd go down to the driving range and you would hit balls until you felt confident enough to move to the golf course. Now, why should IT be any different? In the same way, you were learning to do a specific technology or take a certification, you look at the content that's been provided to you, you learn, you understand, and then you take that information and you use it in the practice lab. So a practice lab ultimately is access to real hardware where you can develop those practical skills required in the world of IT. Not only do you build up your skill level, but confidence as well. The online platform allows you to carry out many different tasks supported by our lab guides, as well as the infrastructure, giving you a well-blended learning solution.